Meaning of debilitate.
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 Debilitate. The word debilitate means to weaken or make someone or something less effective. When a person is debilitated, they may experience reduced strength, energy or mobility, and may struggle to carry out tasks they could previously do with ease. A debilitating condition can have a significant impact on a person's physical and emotional well-being, and may require medical intervention. In extreme cases, a debilitated individual may be completely immobilized and unable to perform even basic activities of daily living, which can lead to feelings of frustration, helplessness, and despair.